Good morning, good afternoon, good evening again. Our team Leidos Green Hackers will be presenting our solution demo via ServiceNow, revolving around farmer sustainability, such as carbon footprint and cost. This solution demo is backed by our solution design data model and architecture. I am Ramesh Melam, worked on this solution along with Naga Adimulam and Sajid Pereira. We wanted to identify the impact farmers had on carbon footprint as well as the costs involved with farming equipment. We believe farmers are increasingly looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact while also staying productive. Tools for modern market agriculture, such as using tractors and trucks, are often left facing unnecessary costs and repairs. Hence, we raise the question, how can farmers and consumers reduce carbon footprint altogether while also saving costs? Therefore, our idea that we propose is to help farmers make more informed decisions about their equipment usage and reducing costs. Our solution will utilize ServiceNow Now Assist, a Gen AI chatbot, and dashboard capabilities. This solution will also provide farmers their estimated carbon footprint that gives them a cost-effective and efficient approach to farming. Our solution design integrates data from AEMO and public APIs. Our solution will provide farmers with real-time insights into their equipment usage costs and associated carbon emissions. The Now Assist Gen AI chatbot will enable farmers to ask questions and receive personalized recommendations based on the farmer's inquiry. So we think our proposed solution will motivate them to switch to more efficient assets energy provider and in turn produce minimal carbon footprint. We think this solution is effective as it could involve improved environmental stewardship, estimating carbon footprints, enable farmers to identify practices that contribute mostly to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly to heavy equipment and fertilizers that produce excessive gas emissions. Preventive maintenance, understanding equipment repair costs allows farmers to plan for preventive maintenance rather than facing unexpected breakdowns during crucial farming periods. Increase equipment lifespan, close monitoring and repair management can extend the useful life of their machinery. Here is the data model we used for this solution. The solution consists of multiple tables, a table to store the matrix for the components in air, a table to store the weather forecast, which is populated by a schedule integration, a table to store fuel prices, summary data provided by AEMO, and a table to store the various types of farming equipment and their characteristics. These all this data is used within the chatbot as well as the homepage. Here is the architecture we used for this solution. We designed this as a three-tier architecture. The data sources are from AEMO to use fuel summary and carbon budgets. The weather data and air pollution data are from openweathermap.org. We integrated all this data into the Now platform and we have utilized Now Assist, automation engine, app engine, low code methodologies for our implementation. We also implemented the user portal and mobile app. Here is our solution demo. We have implemented this solution using a lab instance provided by ServiceNow. We now move to the lab instance to show you the demo. The solution consists of an integration with OpenWeather API to get the weather details as shown here. It also has another integration to the current to grab all the air quality measurements and display whether it's a good, moderate or poor. The data here is intended to help the farmers to decide how, what, when the type of equipment to use. The AEMO data can be shown to farmers with multiple data points to help them make better decisions in their activities relating to farming. The report shown is just an example from the available data provided by AEMO. Now let us have a look at the virtual agent implemented. A farmer can use the built-in green friend to ask questions about climate best equipment to use. What will their climate impact for the specific farming activities? The example demoed here is just a simple of what can be achieved using AI and now assist. The green friend recognizes the farmer is looking for some help with their carbon emissions reduction and it asks them how can it help them. In this case, it is asking what can it help them with. The farmer can select equipment. The friend naturally asks a subsequent logical questions of what type of equipment are they inquiring about. The farmer can enter something like truck. The friend again continues to ask more information about the truck. The farmer can choose the type of fuel. Once the green friend has all the information about the equipment, it will ask for the confirmation. The farmer can either choose to confirm or re-enter. For now, we will confirm. The green friend will continue to ask the farmer about when they want to use the equipment. The green friend is able to identify the date from the day to day language and use all the information provided to give the farmer what will the impact be of using selected equipment with fuel type of a given day. The solution can be further enhanced to show the farmer when is the best time to use a particular equipment. Overall, the solution identifies the innovation, real-life usage, implementation, feasibility, and impact that will help farmers reduce carbon footprint and minimize costs. From an innovations perspective, combine the farmer data from multiple sources like AEMO and open APIs and presenting them in ServiceNow mobile app using Gen AI will help users can use natural language to get solutions out of the app. From a real-life usage, farmers' production of food and resources is consumed by every single Australian. As this is reflected from their contribution to the country's GDP, the solution would give reduced carbon footprint and minimize costs from maintenance. From implementation feasibility, the pre-developed user interface outlines the individual usage of carbon footprint along with costs involved. We believe we can use Now Assist to query farmers' questions by using natural language. By developing the mobile app, it will make it accessible to every farmer right from their mobile home screen. From an impact point of view, farmers will get motivated by utilizing more efficient equipment and practices to reduce the carbon footprint. Thank you for listening to us and providing this opportunity.